Welcome to the GreatScott YouTube channel. If you have the slightest interest in electronics or tinkering in general, then this is the channel for you. You can watch project videos in which I show you how to build a Nixie clock, a Tesla coil, a laptop power bank, an electric longboard, an alarm system, a portable retro game console and so much more. Because I've done close to 150 project videos so far. Or you want to learn about the basics of electronics to understand how the projects work, which you can do by watching my electronics basics videos. Or you just want to watch some electronics related experiments, of which I also have plenty. So sit back, browse through my videos and hopefully learn a thing or two while being entertained. And if you enjoy my work and want to support me so that I can continue making more videos, then head over to Patreon and maybe donate $1 per month. With that being said, I wish you happy tinkering, stay creative and I will see you in my next video.